Hey guys, I'm here today to tell you about this person. She was saying not be a Nazi, my den, and I think we all know, us YouTube watchers, I think we all know what a Nazi is and that it's very bad. I mean, really, they killed thousands of people. I hate them. But if you disagree with me, then it's fine. But please report and block this person for inappropriate behavior because it is very inappropriate. And please do. So yeah, I guess that's it. Brave Rabbits is her username. Please be sure to look her up and report and block her. I think it's her anyway. Well, bye.